Hello, beautiful. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to staying young and fabulous with collagen? I've struggled to find the right solutions myself, but I'm thrilled to share what's worked for me. First up, vitamin C. It's the foundation for collagen building, keeping our skin plump and vibrant. Since we don't produce it naturally, load up on yellow and orange bell peppers, kiwis, and citrus fruits. And if you're supplementing, go for top-notch quality over mass-produced synthetics. Next, let's talk about collagen-rich foods. Slowly cooked beef with bones and cartilage makes a rich, collagen-filled broth. Add garlic for an immunity boost. Avoid those generic bone broths with additives. Make your own beef broth or chicken soup with lots of cartilage like chicken feet, and freeze the leftovers. Gelatin, anyone? It's basically collagen. Use high-quality natural gelatin and start incorporating it into your diet. Trust me, you'll see a difference in just a week. Don't forget omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, and European virgin olive oil. These anti-inflammatory gems work wonders both internally and externally. Zinc, copper, and amino acids are your friends too. Enjoy beef, cruciferous veggies, and seafood like oysters and clams. For external use, nothing beats aloe vera gel straight from the leaf, and quality moisturizers with hyaluronic acid. Just keep it away from your eyes. And here's a little secret scar-reducing tape and egg whites. They're fantastic for smoothing skin and aiding in burn recovery. Now, let's talk about circulation. Massage and exercise improve nutrient flow and remove old cells. Show some love to your face, neck, and hands with regular massages. Finally, rebuild cells fast. Try contrasting cold and hot treatments like cold water splashes and saunas, along with intermittent fasting. It's effective, though not always easy. So there you have it. To stay young, embrace foods rich in vitamin C and collagen, use high-quality supplements, and don't shy away from natural methods. Hot and cold treatments and intermittent fasting worked wonders for me. Subscribe for more tips and to keep this valuable intel handy. Stay fabulous.